How much does Subutex treatment cost? If you or someone you know is considering Subutex for addiction treatment, you might be wondering about the costs involved. Let's break down what you can expect when it comes to Subutex treatment expenses. Subutex is a brand name for buprenorphine, a medication used in medication-assisted treatment for opioid use disorder. This treatment combines medications like Subutex with counseling and behavioral therapies to help individuals overcome addiction. The cost of Subutex treatment can vary based on several factors. First, the type of setting where you receive treatment plays a significant role. You can get treatment in specialized clinics, doctors' offices, or outpatient programs. Clinics may offer bundled services that include medication, counseling, and drug testing, while doctors' offices might focus more on medication management. Insurance coverage is another important factor. Many health insurance plans, including Medicaid and Medicare, cover Subutex and related services. However, the specifics of your coverage, such as co-pays and deductibles, can affect how much you pay out of pocket. Location also matters. Prices for Subutex treatment can differ by region or state due to varying costs of living and healthcare services. Additionally, the frequency and duration of treatment will impact the total cost. For instance, how often you receive medication and counseling can lead to different expenses. Now, let's talk about typical cost ranges. The price of Subutex itself can range from a few dollars to over $100 per dose, depending on the pharmacy and your insurance coverage. If you are receiving treatment in an office, you might be charged for each visit, which can range from $50 to $200 or more per session. Some clinics offer sliding scale fees based on income, making treatment more accessible for those in need. In opioid treatment programs, the cost often includes medication, counseling, and drug testing. Medicare payment rates for buprenorphine-based medication-assisted treatment can range from about $70 to over $5,000 per week. This range depends on the type of medication and the intensity of services provided. Keep in mind that these figures representing what the program is paid by insurance, not necessarily what patients pay out of pocket. Without insurance, the total cost for Subutex treatment, including medication and counseling, can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. It really depends on the provider and the services included. For anyone seeking Subutex treatment, it is important to check your insurance coverage. Contact your insurance provider to understand what is covered and what your co-pays or deductibles might be. Additionally, ask about financial assistance. Many clinics and programs offer financial help or sliding scale fees for those who qualify. Comparing providers can also be helpful. Prices and services can vary, so it may be beneficial to look at different clinics or doctors in your area. Remember to consider all costs involved, not just the medication. Counseling and other support services are essential parts of effective medication-assisted treatment. In summary, the cost of Subutex treatment can vary widely based on where you receive care, your insurance, and the services included. While prices can range significantly, many people find that insurance and financial assistance programs help make treatment more affordable.